Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making curly whirlies out of 260s. Knowing how to make a curly whirly 260 is really good to add to your balloon arrangements or in balloon garlands. It allows you to scale up your profits and also it's a really good trick to have up your sleeve if you are a balloon artist. What you're going to need is, obviously we are using the chrome Qualatex in chrome green and chrome blue. Okay, we're doing a fortnight themed balloon arrangement, which I'll be making another video on, but for this one we're just focusing on the curly whirlies. We'll also need a balloon pump. Okay, so what we're going to do, you'll also need a Rexona bottle. So what you're going to do is you're just going to tie a 260 around there, not too tight, just enough room. Then you're going to blow the 260 up all the way. Don't leave fill up the end as well, don't leave it. And then deflate it. Beautiful. Then what you're going to do on the Rexona bottle, put it under the flap just like that. Make sure it is all straight, because what you're going to do is wrap the balloon around the bottle just like that. Okay, so you can use anything that's nice and small, but don't use anything too big. If you like your curls nice and tight, I think a Rexona bottle or a deodorant bottle is perfect. Okay, then what you're going to do, this is a bit of a tricky one, but you can have some help. You're going to pump it while it's there. I'm going to place it between my knees, and that's usually the way I do it if you're on your own. So I'll show you now. We've got our first curly one, which is a bit wide for my liking, but you can deflate it. Try not at the bottom. They're really well molded as well. So once you inflate it, deflate it and inflate it again, you can remold them. And there we go. We have made quite a tight curly whirly out of a Rexona bottle using an air pump. Alright guys, that was a quick little tutorial on how I make these curly whirlies. If you'd like to see more videos like this, comment, subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.